In the summer of 2015, two Heriot Watt mechanical engineering students were granted the amazing opportunity to travel around India visiting some of the most scenic and contrasting landscapes the country has to offer. From the densely packed cities of Mumbai, Kolkata and Chennai, to the swamplands of West Bengal and beaches of Goa, all while learning about the culture, customs and making friends for life. The mission? To learn more about collaborating universities in a major government-funded project to construct a revolutionary renewable energy power plant. The project makes use of solar technology, biomass and hydrogen storage combined in such a way to make a reliable and stable power source for 80 households in West Bengal. We set off to investigate the contributions of each institution and how these institutes have managed to cooperate in such a wide-ranging collaboration, all in the aim of improving the lives of rural communities. The next stop in our journey was to the swamplands of West Bengal, where we would travel north to the Visva University in Santiniketan, located about 100 miles north of Kolkata. The small town is home to two different indigenous communities, as well as the critically acclaimed Visva Bharati Institute, a world-renowned institute and top central government-funded university with an impressive list of alumni including Nobel Prize winners and famous filmmakers. Arriving in the small town, a true sense of community transpired. The locals are incredibly proud of their history and heritage, having been home to the famous poet and Nobel Prize winner Rabindranath Tagore, who founded the university in 1918. At the university, we met with Professor Shibani Chowdhury, the leading professor of the Bio-CPV Project. While there, we also met with a few of her PhD students and learned more about the biogas production technology and how it is implemented in the project. Here, lab-oriented work is done with respect to optimal combinations of bacteria able to effectively digest the local biomass sources. They are also heavily involved with the social aspect of the project, helping to educate and prepare the inhabitants of the villages for the changes that will come with introducing electrical power sources to the community. Professor Chowdhury explains to us the role of the university in the project and what challenges they have faced over the course of the project development. Then her PhD students explain more to us about the technology and the social aspect of the project. Our time in Santiniketan was certainly inspiring. Witnessing the amazing work of such a prolific university was an incredible experience. We saw that not only do they excel in the field of biological sciences, but many of their projects contain a humanitarian focus aimed towards social equality. Their close relationship and active involvement with the communities around them is exemplary work which shows how it is possible to combine academia with humanitarianism, as seen particularly in the Bio-CPV project. The communities involved in the project are indigenous people who have been isolated and away from modern India, with no recognition from political system to provide them with electricity or social security. This project will give them the tools necessary to increase the standards of their health and education, providing the people with opportunities and all-around better standard of living.